Let us begin by finding a comfortable position, lying on your back, with your legs slightly apart and your arms resting by your sides, palms facing up. Make sure your head is in a comfortable position, using a pillow if needed to support your back. Close your eyes gently and take a deep breath in, filling your lungs completely. And then exhale, letting go of all the tension in your body. Allow yourself to fully relax and surrender to the moment of stillness. Take a moment to set an intention for your practice. This intention could be something as simple as I am free from pain, or I'm relaxed at ease. Let this intention resonate deeply within you, repeating it silently in your mind 3 times. Now bring your awareness to different parts of the body. As I guide you, simply focus on each part and allow it to relax completely. Begin by bringing your attention to your toes. Feel them relaxing and releasing any tension. Move your awareness to your feet, ankles, and then your legs. Allow your calves and shin to soften. Now focus on your knees and feel any tension melting away. Bring your awareness to the thighs, allowing them to become heavy and relaxed. Shift your attention to your hips and pelvis, feeling them sink into the floor, releasing any tension. Now move up to your lower back, an area which we often hold a lot of tension. Imagine a warm, soothing light spreading across your lower back, releasing any tightness or discomfort. Continue to your upper back and shoulders, allowing them to soften and relax. Bring your awareness to your chest and abdomen, feeling them expand and contract with each breath. Allow your breath to become slow and deep, filling your body with relaxation. Now slowly focus on your arms, starting with your hands, wrists, forearms, elbows, and up to your upper arms. Feel them becoming heavy and completely relaxed. Move your awareness to your neck. Feel any tension dissolving as you relax your throat and jaw. Finally, bring your awareness to your face, softening your eyes, forehead, and the space between your eyes. Let your eyes, entire face relax, releasing any tension. Now bring your attention to your breath. Observe the natural rhythm of your breath without trying to change it. Notice the cool air as it enters your nostril and the warm air as it leaves. Feel the rise and fall of your abdomen with each breath. As you continue to breathe, imagine that with every inhalation, you're drawing a healing energy, and with every exhalation, you're releasing any pain or discomfort from your back. With every breath, feel your back becoming lighter, more relaxed, and free from pain. Now, I invite you to visualize a warm, healing light. This light begins at the base of your spine, slowly spreading upward as it moves along your spine. It soothes and relaxes every muscle, every nerve, and every bone. Visualize this warm light traveling up through your neck, dissolving any tightness or discomfort. Feel it spreading to your middle back, releasing any tension. Finally, let this light reach your upper back, neck, and shoulders, allowing you to feel completely relaxed and at ease. As this light continues to glow within you, know that it is healing your back, restoring balance, and bringing that deep sense of relaxation. Begin by deepening your breath slightly, bringing your awareness back to your body. Wiggle your fingers and toes gently, whether you are ready. When you are ready, slowly roll over to your right side, taking a moment to rest in this position. When you feel ready, use your left hand gently to push yourself up in the seated position. Keep your eyes closed. Take a moment to feel the effects of your practice. Notice how your back feels, how your entire body feels. Finally, bring your hands together in front of your heart. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, bow your head in gratitude for this time you have taken to care for yourself. When you're ready, you may slowly open your eyes, carrying this sense of relaxation and ease within you into the rest of the day. Hari Om Tat Sat, Hari Om Tat Sat, Hari Om Tat Sat.